Hey everybody, this is Kirk with An Easier Way to Trade. Do me a favor, before you watch this video, hit the like button and then hit the subscribe button so you can be notified when we do our other videos. Hey everyone, Kirk again. Just want to show you some of the results that we're having from our membership. Guys, remember we have an EA and we also have manual trading. So we have the EA results and then we're going to show our manual trading results. Guys, the package is phenomenal. Now this is Chartmaster Eric B's personal account, guys. He has to make a profit of $8,000. So he said 6,800 now. I think he started this less than a week ago. So he's definitely on his way. This is his second phase. Once he finishes this phase here, he'll be a fully funded trader. Now this is the company's live challenge, manual challenge here. So this is the second phase. So once we pass this phase here, the company will be fully funded, guys, on the live challenge. And then finally, this is my personal live funded challenge with my Forex funds. This is my second phase. So once I finish this, I need about $300 more. Then I'll personally be a fully funded trader with my Forex funds. Guys, we have the total package. You see, I got 60 days on this one. I just started it earlier today, the second phase earlier today. I don't think I'm going to need 60 days. I only need $300 more, guys. And this is the EA, guys, right here. You see, it's a 10K account. I'm down about $400 some right now, but it's starting to come back around. So, we still got 2 weeks left on it. So as you can see, we have the total package here at An Easy Way to Trade. The EA and the manual trading challenge, all for $150 a month. Can't beat this deal.